Hi, I'm Cindy Garlinger, and this is my Literacy Workstation project. I've created 7 literacy workstations designed for the 5 to 6-year-old kindergartner. While most of the workstations are developed for the early level of literacy, 2 are presented for transitional stage. These workstations will be used for independent practice of concepts previously taught. The first is called Word Work. The emergent level will be using ladybug letter puzzle cards to match uppercase with lowercase alphabet, and then ordering the sequence of the alphabet from A to Z. The early level student will be using alphabet letters forming words that match word cards and picture cards. The Big Book workstation, you will see students engaged in buddy reading. They will be tracking print line by line and word by word, and they'll be word hunting using Big Book task cards to point out specific words. And this is developed for the early level of literacy. The handwriting workstation, you will see students tracing and forming letters. They will be practicing recognizing and writing their own name as well as their friends' names in this early literacy level workstation. The phonics workstation, you will see students working to recognize patterns in spelling and building word families with letter tiles. This is developed for the early level of literacy. The pocket chart workstation, the students will be matching story sequence sentence strips along with story sequence puzzle cards to create the correct order of beginning, middle, and end. Additionally, there will be a pre-printed sentences that they will cut out in blue in the correct order for assessment later. And this is developed for the early literacy level. The poetry workstation will work on buddy reading and working together, taking turns. The students will be tracking print line by line and word by word, and they'll be word hunting. They'll be searching for rhyming words or specific words, and then they'll be illustrating the poem. And this is developed for the transitional level of literacy. And finally, in the journal workstation, students will be using the storytelling game. They will choose 3 to 4 story starter cards, and they will discuss their story ideas with their partner, and then they will write and illustrate their original story in their journal. This is developed for the transitional literacy level. I enjoyed working on this project, and I hope you enjoyed watching it as well. Thank you.